Hello everyone, how are you children? I hope all are fine by the grace of God. Children, today in maths, I am going to explain multiplication, unit 4. All of you open your page number 45 children in textbook. Page number 45, what is this? Unit 4, multiplication. Say the spelling of multiplication children. M-U-L-T-I. M-U-L-T-I P-L-I-C-A-T-I-O-N. Multiplication. This is the symbol of multiplication is called I-N-T-O into. The symbol of multiplication is called into children. This sign is called plus, no? This sign is called plus. We completed. This sign is called minus, no? This multiplication sign is called into children. Into. I-N-T-O into. Okay children. Have you seen the circles here? How many circles are there children? Count here. 1, 2, 3, 4 circles. How many circles? 4 circles. No children? 4 circles. In this circle, have you seen fishes children? How many fishes are there in each circle here? Count. 1, 2. Right here 2. Here 1, 2. Here 1, 2. Here 1, 2. Now count children. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Total how many fishes are there? Total 8. See? Here 2. I wrote here 2. Plus. Again 2. Plus. Again 2. Plus. And the last box also 2. 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 is equal to how many fishes? 8 fishes. But simple way is if we multiply the number of boxes. See number of boxes 1, 2, 3, 4. No children. 4 into 2. What are there here? 2 fishes are there. 1, 2, 3, 4. In this 4 circle, how many fishes are there? 2. Now already you learned the tables, no children? In previous class we learned the tables. Now 4 2s are 8. You have to write like this children. 4 2s are 8. Okay children? Now understand this? Now here, see here in these boxes, how many boxes are there children? 1, 2, 3. Okay children, 3 boxes are there. In these 3 boxes, here I wrote here 3. In these 3 boxes, how many apples are there? Have you seen apples here? 2 apples. Right in this box 2. In this box also same 2. Here also 2. No? Now 2 plus 2 plus 2. See I wrote here children. 2 plus 2 plus 2 is equal to how much children? 6. No? 2 plus 2 is equal to 6. In this way, children, if we add like this, in the above we are adding 2 plus 2, no? 2 plus 2 in each box 3 times to get the total number of apples children. In the 3 boxes, here 2 plus 2 plus 2 is equal to 6. But simply way is if to multiply the number of boxes, number of 3 boxes with the number of apples children. The number of apples in each box 2. In each box 2. We get the same answer. No children? 2 plus 2 plus 2 is equal to 6. Or 2 3s are 6. Same. You learn 3 2s are 6. And same way. 2 3s are 6. Okay children? In this way, instead of adding, the number is repeatedly simply the number of times of its occurrence with the number is called multiplication. Now you understand children multiplication. We are counting like this now, 2 plus 2 plus 2. Don't do like that children. See here. How many 2's are here? 1, 2, 3. 3 into 2. 3 into 2. It is easy children. 3. See number of boxes. 1, 2, 3. In these 3 boxes, how many apples are there? 2. 2. 1, 2, 3. 3. In these 3 boxes, we have 2 apples. 3 into 2. 3 into 2. 2 plus 2 plus 2. 6. Like that 1, 2, 3. 3 into 2. 3 boxes into 2 apples. Understand children? In each box, how many apples are there? 2. 3 2's are 6. Okay children? Now you understand how to do that multiplication? We get the same answer either by adding 2 3 times or by multiply 3 with the 2. That's why multiplication is known as repeated addition children. Repeated addition. Okay children? Now we have to do like this. Thank you children.